Hey, Cindy, I've got a surprise for you. Really? Yes, really. You think I would lie to you? Happy anniversary.
Anniversary? For what?
For when we first met. 20 years ago, I found a farm. When I saw them struggling, I went to help them. While I walked through the crops, I noticed something that didn't look like it belonged. It reminded me of me. When the farmer saw me holding a hand, he thought I had hurt someone, so he chased me away. When she woke up, she said she didn't have a name, so I named her Cindy. And ever since then, we've done everything together.
And I wouldn't trade you for the world.